Welcome back to Checkout Car YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to show cash on delivery only for UAE. You'll be for other countries, it will be hidden. For this, we're using Next Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. You can also install it from Shopify App Store, or I also attached the app link in the description. So after installing the app, you can open your Shopify admin panel. You can open the app. So this is the app. Then you can click on limit COD based on location configure. You can enable this and you can select your cash on delivery payment method. In my case, it's cash on delivery. And if you already added fee using the add COD fee condition in the app, you can toggle on this and you can select that particular shipping method. Then after that, the third one is the main thing. So we selected based on location and we are hiding restrict based on country, and you can select the condition allow COD for this country, right? Then in our case it's UAE, so we can search for UAE or United Arab Emirates, and you can save the changes. That's it. Now we successfully made it, and now we can test it how it's working. We can just reload the website once, and we are adding a product to checkout. You can click on buy now, and you can see now it's India. It's showing cash on delivery, but after filling an address, for example, after you're filling a full test address, cash on delivery will not be there. So that's how it works. Now we can give UAE and test how cash on delivery is showing, and we are giving UAE. And if I select any of the Emirates, you can see we are filling an address. Then you can see cash on delivery is visible. Right? So this is how you can set up cash on delivery only for your United Arab Emirates or UAE. So if you're finding this video, please subscribe to the channel, and the app link is in the description below. Thank you.